Hello, I am Ira and I have made the project on the topic conservation and consumption of natural resources in which I have made slides on different type of resources, their conservation and consumption. Hope you will like my efforts. This is the first main slide of my project resources. It is a source or supply from which a benefit is produced and that has some utility is known as resource. There are different type of resources like land resource, wind resource, fossil fuels, mineral resource, etc. Classification biotic which are living organisms in the ecosystem, for example, trees. Abiotic refers to the non living organisms in the ecosystem, for example, water. Renewable resources which can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally, for example, wind energy. Non renewable which can be replenished with the speed at which it is consumed, for example, fossil fuels. Sustainable use of resources, which means the use of components of biological diversity in a way and at a rate that does not lead to the long term decline of biological diversity. Land resource, which is the first main slide of my project. It is very important for the survival of living beings. It is known as the base of the living organisms. Mineral resource, there are different type of minerals which are very important. They are formed by inorganic processes of long duration. We should conserve them by using and recycling them. Fossil fuels, which are formed by natural processes. There are three main types of fossil fuels: oil, coal, and natural gas. We should conserve them by reducing, reusing, recycling, and refusing them. Don't be cruel, conserve your fuel. Wildlife, which includes forests and animals. We should conserve this resource by developing protective areas such as national parks. Wind resource, which is a form of solar energy, we should conserve it as they are limited resources available on the earth and our demands are continuously increasing day by day. We should conserve them by replacing our light bulbs, upgrading our HVAC system. Why do we need to conserve resources? Because they are very important. We can conserve them by not wasting paper, by reducing recycling materials. Once Gandhiji said, there is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. How can we conserve our resources? We can conserve them in many ways, like throw trash in the trash can, by practicing rainwater harvesting, etc. Consumption of resources of non-renewable and renewable resources. Resource planning, which is the judicious use of resources. It is practiced in India. We should use our resources effectively, efficiently, and economically. This is the last page of my project in which I have concluded my project by writing the quotes said by famous persons. Thank you.